Good afternoon. So, what's your name?
Goodness.
Goodness, and I guess you're a student of Gifted Brains Tutorial. So, what's your favorite subject?
Government.
Government. Why do you like government?
Government brings us near to our country. It tells us about our affairs, our foreign affairs, and our external affairs. It tells us about impending danger and the advantages of being a citizen of our country.
Wow. So, who's your favorite teacher?
Mr. Master Ume Cosmos.
Master Cosmos, and I guess he's your government teacher also.
Yes.
Looks like there are many government teachers here. So, how conducive is Gifted Brains Tutorials for effective learning?
So gifted brain tutorials are so that is top notch in terms of surrounding and it's located at the outskirts of Okoko. I would like to say that it's a place for sound education and sound learning in the
Wow.
sense that noise is not heard or seen.
Wow. In a scale of 1 to 10, how do you rate Gifted Brains Tutorial?
9.5.
Wow, that's almost 10. Thank you. Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
What's your name?
My name is Chisholm.
Wow, nice name. I guess you're a student of Gifted Brains Tutorials.
Yes.
So, what's your favorite subject?
Chemistry.
Chemistry. And who is your favorite teacher?
Master Bertrand.
Master Betra. I guess he teaches you chemistry.
Yes.
So, extensively share with us how consistent and diligent the tutors of Gifted Brains Tutorial are.
I've been part of Gifted Brains tutorials and it has totally leveled up my learning. Attending Gifted Brains tutorials has been a game changer and the amazing tutors made every subject easy, boosting my confidence as well as empowering students with knowledge. Gifted
Wow.
Brains tutorials is highly recommended. This
Wow.
is a place where dreams come true and where learning meets success.
Hmm,
Try
this
Gifted
is
Brains
cool.
tutorials today and unlock your potentials.
Wow. So, in a scale of 1 to 10, how do you rate Gifted Brains Tutorial? I don't even need to ask you that question because you've already said it.
9 over 10 because
Wow.
the tutors are punctual to classes and the lessons are well prepared and engaging.
Wow.
Huh? Good? Huh? 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 Good? And we call it network English. It is not the standard though. But when you talk about modern English, modern English, it is not standard. Okay? So Americans will not pronounce T. They say water. So say what? Say water. They say cheetah. Say chira. So saying football. They say football. They say that. They avoid T because that T is hard in some words. Okay? That T is hard in some words. Okay? But again, there are so many things